are natural lighting, kaya medyo maganda tingnan yung aking video ngayon. Because it's 7 AM in the morning. Ako rin di ako makapaniwala na ganito kaaga gising ako. Huwag kayong mag-alala, ang totoo niyan, hindi pa ako natutulog. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do your everyday makeup when you wear a mask and whenever you go outside in the daylight. So it's important to keep yourself protected from the virus, from the bacteria, from any sickness, and of course, to protect yourself from the sun. Also, it's important na yung makeup natin is hindi madali mag-transfer. So, without further ado, let's start! I already washed my face, so the next step is clean your hands, of course. Coverage, pero very lightweight siya. Isa yun sa mga important factors when you're doing your makeup routine right now is it's supposed to be lightweight and non-sticky. It doesn't transfer that much, or better yet, it should be transfer-proof and has SPF protection. You want something that's lightweight and also good for the skin para kahit naka-mask ka, you still can breathe kahit pa paano, even though you have makeup on. Since it's already covered with mask, and then imagine putting on a thick layer of foundation or concealer on that area. Imagine na lang, your skin can't breathe and therefore you're prone to more acne. That's just my thoughts, but you know, you don't have to use this if you don't have it or if you don't have the budget, since this one is around 1,300. I'm not sure. You can use your favorite BB cream or foundation. Just make sure it's lightweight and it's non-stick. So dahil light lang yung nilagay ko na layer ng aking foundation, my acne marks, some of my acne marks is still showing. And for me, it's okay. And if that's not okay with you, you can go ahead and put on your concealer. But for me, I just prefer it this way kasi everyday makeup tutorial lang naman. So I'm going to use Ellana's Lifeproof brow gel. Maganda yung long-lasting eyebrows. And this one is really long-lasting. It's also waterproof. At yun ay paano mag-eyeliner. If you see on my tutorials, on all my makeup looks, hindi ako nag-eyeliner, guys. Talagang mascara lang yun. So if you're feeling masipag, mag-eyeshadow ka rin. So I'm going to use this one from Colourpop. Ooh la la. Of course, pink tones, because you know me, I hate pink. I was being sarcastic. Lang sila. Very easy to blend and you can use it on your lips, cheeks, and lids. And hindi siya sticky. Clean hands. Oh Medyo natagalan ko na atang hindi nagagamit. Nakalimutan ko na sobrang favorite. So, maganda to kasi pang beginners. Tignan nyo. Ganyan yung brush niya. Nakakaloka na deadpan pa tayo. Okay, so tuloy na natin. We're going to do our eyeliner. I think it's really nice to use an eyeliner na this time, especially na nakamask tayo. So, yung focus ng tao or yung focus ng face natin ngayon is our eye. Trick for hooded eyes like mine, do your wing first nang nakabukas ang mata mo. Do this. I don't know what. Do this and then follow yung direction. Yung going mong guide, put your line. I mean your wing. See that part na putol? It's normal when you put your wing nang nakabukas yung mata mo. We're going to correct that later after we put on the eyeliner. Pencil liner para lang sa yung waterline sa taas. Para lang mas mag-pop yung eyes mo. Let's curl our lashes again. So, it's important to choose a lipstick na hindi glossy para hindi dumidikit sa mask mo unless you're just indoors and not wearing mask. Smudge-proof and preferably waterproof. So, akin ang pinaka-favorite kong long-lasting waterproof lipstick is this. So, it's just like Super Stay except this one is cruelty-free, vegan, local brand, and non-dry, to be honest. Lastly, your setting spray. This one is good for oily combination skin and just to lock that makeup on your face. Good for the whole day. Plus, it has a lot of skin benefits. Of course, it's Ellana. Shake muna natin. This is the finished look. So in this new normal, it means we also have to have new habits. So lalo na sa mga may work na ngayon, please make sure you have your essentials, your go-to essentials with you. This is my essential bag and I'll show you what's inside. First up is alcohol spray or sanitizer. So this is by Ellana. It's the F of Germs. This is nice kasi you can spray it to anything or everywhere. And it's also non-drying kasi it has aloe vera and tea tree extracts. Next is your sunscreen. So I have with me Sun Mist ng Lauren & Co. Beauty. Anyways, everything I've shown here sa video ko will be linked on the description box below. So make sure to check out my description box para malaman mo yung mga full details ng products and where to get them. SPF has to be reapplied at least every 3 hours if you're on the sun the whole time. So this one is really nice. On the go, you can just spritz it on your face or whatever, and then you're all set. Remember, do not just take care of your health, take care of your skin as well. Another one from Lauren & Co. This is the Bare Skin Facial Sun Gel. Gusto ko siya gamitin sa body ko kasi sa face. Next on my essential bag, of course, tissue. Ayan. So, always have your tissues with you. extra face mask. So, this one is from aka.ph. Let's say, meron kang loved one na kasama and then nawala or nahulog or nadumihan or wala siyang dalang mask. Ganun siya ka-irresponsible. Another extra one for you pag nadumihan yung mask mo or you have to change your mask. That's it for my makeup tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this and I hope meron kayo natutunan na somehow makeup tricks or new products from me. Always take care, beloveds. Please, please don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel for more videos. That's all. See you on my next one. Bye. Thank you and God bless.